What do you think could actually come down from DC in terms of regulation when it comes to short selling, restrictions on retail trading?
I think those are the things that become top of mind, just because, frankly, the timeliness of what's transpired over the past few weeks. So certainly those are issues that will be reviewed. But we've worked with Gary Gensler when he was chair of the CFTC, and he's a person who likes transparency and likes to make sure that people understand how the markets function. And so I expect that he's going to be focused on transparency. He has made some comments already to date about areas of examination that the SEC could take a look at. I think first off, we'll start by answering the question, is the information out there so people can make informed decisions? And then second, are there any changes we need to make about how the markets work? Frankly, there are aspects of the market that are not widely understood. And so that's an important area of focus, and I expect to see the SEC look at that early in its tenure.
Stacey, one final quick one from me. We get a transaction tax. You moving to Chicago? How seriously should we take this threat?
We should take this threat very seriously. Financial transaction taxes have not worked. In London, we've seen people look for alternatives to on-exchange transparent transactions. So the trading volume goes elsewhere. It's a tax that gets passed to the end investor, so the end investor pays that tax. In the U.S., we're thinking about it and looking at potential transaction tax, both at the state level and at the federal level. So at the state level, it's easy for us to relocate our business. We don't want to. I want to stay in New York, but moving is a possibility, and we would do that if our customers ask us to. But at the federal level, it's not just about moving states. So we have to recognize the fact that volume can also move outside of the U.S. or to less transparent ways. Investors will find access to opportunities. And we just should keep in mind that the end investor is the one that pays this tax.